Let's talk about how to fix the SIMSB error code noted. Installation failed in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't despair, fellow Simmers. You're not alone in this frustrating battle today. We're going to break down error code. Both of them, exploring the common culprits and providing you with concrete, step-by-step solutions to get your game running smoothly. Get ready to banish that error and reclaim your Sims. The experience. First things first, sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Your E. Or the old origin client might just need a good reset. Close the application completely clear its catchy files from your system settings and then relaunch it off and running. It as an administrator can also resolve underlying permission issues that might be blocking the installation.
If the error persists, it's possible some of your game files are corrupted or incomplete. The E app has a built-in repair function specifically for this. Navigate to your game library, right-click on the Sims, and select Repair. This will scan your installation for any missing or damaged files and automatically re-download the correct versions, which can often fix error code. Go.
Your computer's security. Software like antivirus programs or firewalls can sometimes mistakenly identify game installation files as threats. This can prevent the game from installing properly. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall just during the installation process, or add the Sims and the E app to your program's whitelist or exceptions list. Remember to reactivate your security afterward. A common culprit for installation issues is a lack of proper administrative privileges. Even if you're the primary user and you're running the E app and the Sims installer as an administrator, simply right-click on the executable file or shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This grants the necessary permissions for the game to write files to your system and can often bypass stubborn error code messages.